The new logo and the new name that we came up with is vidwheel. Vidwheel speaks a little more to our actual core service of providing video production and strategy around that. And then, much like the ACV logo, there's a little more of a story inside that graphic there. You can see at the top, we kind of start with a couple of points that are, kind of speak to the way that we like to create a couple points of contact for clients, and then A/B test. And you can see they kind of go together at the bottom there. That's when we're making adjustments, kind of refining those strategies and kind of, continuing on through the process. And then the end, the kind of dashed line section is about planning, right? Taking what you learned from that video series or whatever we've put together, a video marketing campaign, and learning from what you did, planning for the next, and then you start it all over again.